Hello, kids! My name is Teacher Jay, and welcome to my reading class where your first steps to become excellent readers begin. And this is the introductory lesson to the short I. Today, we are going to learn the concept of the vowel I. Always remember that every word must have a vowel. Let us start our lesson with the phonograms. Repeat after me as I read the letter, the keyword concept, and the letter sound. P, pat. B, bat. B. T, tap. T. D, dad. D. C, cat. K. K, kit. K. G, gas. G. F, fan. F. V, van. V. S, sad. S. Z, zip. Z. J, jam. J. M, man. M. N, nap. N. W, wag. W. H, hat. H. L, luck. L. R, rat. R. X, fox. X. Y, yo-yo. Y. A, X, A. Well done! Next, let us review the words that has the short A sound. Sound out the letters to decode each word. L, A, N, D. Land. H, A, N, D. Hand. S, T, A, N, D. Stand. L, A, S, T. Last. A, S, T. Past. F, A, S, T. Fast. Let us read the words again that has the short A sound. Land. Hand. Stand. Last. Past. Fast. Great! The name of this letter is I. What is the name of this letter? The letter I is a vowel. Today, you will learn to read and spell words with the vowel I. The keyword for I is heat. The keyword heat will help you hear and remember the sound of the letter I. Say heat. Listen again as I say the word heat. Heat. What is the letter's name? What is the keyword for I? The sound the letter I makes is eh. Repeat the sound eh. What sound does vowel I make? When I show up the letter I want you to say I hit eh. Say it again. Say it again one more time. Great job!